a thorny issue that many people are afraid to talk about. It is how Kaiser Chiefs over the years has been benefiting from dodgy refereeing. Why is that the case? Why is it out of all the PSL clubs or PSL teams that we have, that it is consistently this one club which continues to benefit from poor refereeing decisions? And this normally happens at the crucial